In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a mouse node to create a character move example like this. We'll be assigning mouse left click to move forward, right click to move backward and middle click to jump. We'll be using a viewport camera to manually control the player's view. Let's save the file, so we can play the scene. Let's go to the Logic tab and add a new node. We can use any names. Let's create a mouse node and duplicate 2 more times using Shift-D. We need 2 scale object nodes, 2 translate object nodes, 1 apply impulse node and 1 rotate object node. Let's assign the left mouse button down action for scale 1 in the x-axis, the right mouse button down action for scale -1 in the x-axis. Let's assign the middle mouse button down action for rotate 1 in the x-axis. Let's test the game. If we click and hold the left mouse button, the cube scales in the x-axis. If we click and hold the right mouse button, the cube scales in reverse in the x-axis. If we click and hold the middle mouse button, the cube rotates in the x-axis. Let's connect the mouse nodes to translate and apply impulse. We need to change the middle mouse button down action to middle mouse button released. Let's create a new plane. We need to add rigid body to both the cube and the plane. Let's uncheck dynamic for the plane. Let's try 15. Let's try 3. Let's try 8. Let's use the keyboard's arrow keys to move the camera. Let's duplicate the plane and create platforms players can jump and move to. This is the end of the mouse control tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.